and welcome to the last week of term. I greet you on a Tuesday morning. Yesterday I was busy doing lots of assignment stuff because the deadlines are approaching. Right now, simulation of engineering systems. See you there. Bye.
So how do we solve this one?
We could do that in dBs. 20 log 10 times 66,000 is 104.43.
So we end up with this convolved with the single frequency of the carrier. So you replicate this spectrum around each carrier. Here we then have 250, 251, 253, 249, 247.
Well, this evening, stand-up was really high. You were obviously all very enthusiastic, lots of energy, very evidently lots of hard work, so thank you all for that. There is a prize for the winner. Take the winning group around the hydro without hesitation, just to announce the winner, and that is Supermodel.
Good Wednesday morning, presenting our robot today. Team Design Project Robot. Woo!
What chipset have you gone for?
L298 driver chip.
I'm guessing the integrated circuit setting just below your embed?
Yes, so it's on the opposite side of the PCB.
We tried to make it as small as possible.
Why did you want it to be small?
Just as a design.
How about thermal management? Have you done any calculations about
Yes, we did a calculation from the datasheet for the LM2931 voltage regulator, and we found that without a heatsink it would far exceed its quoted maximum junction temperature. So Caitlin's idea was to use the metal sheet as a heatsink.
Having the holes there increases airflow as it moves, which aids cooling.
I guess the next question is kind of hard now. Do you know how much heat that arrangement can dissipate?
So we haven't calculated the whole area, but compared to heat sinks that would be appropriate based on our calculations, the area of this far exceeds that.
So with your compact design, how are you going to integrate your other features and sensors?
We don't know exactly what outputs and inputs we'll need, but on the back of the circuit, all the pins of the embed are still accessible.
Ah, okay, cool.
From a software perspective, we made sure to leave all the SPI pins.
Good evening / good morning. I'm a little bit annoyed. I forgot to film my team's robot moving today. I thought I was filming, but I suppose I wasn't, so might go into the lab tomorrow just to get a quick little video of it moving. I think my team's robot is quite impressive. One of the team members is very good at developing PCBs, so our little printed circuit board is tiny, and we've been quite innovative with our cooling methods. The robots have a metal chassis. Instead of using a standard heatsink, we just bolted our regulator onto the chassis. That's a pretty big heatsink, built in for free. Got some holes drilled in it, so when the robot moves, it will increase the airflow and aid the cooling. So many assignments this week, deadlines. I've just finished doing my section of the simulation of engineering systems MATLAB exercise. I've been doing interpolation. A really cool part of that is running Windows on my Mac computer. Just look at this. What? Okay, it's a Mac. But what's this? And this looks like Windows to me. What? Yeah, let's just run the simulation. Oh my goodness, look at that graph. Rainbow. Is this really a Mac? I'm so confused. Oh yeah, here we go. It is a Mac. Microsoft Remote Desktop. I'm accessing one of the university's computers at the moment. I'm all finished now and it is time for bed. MATLAB exercise finished. I need to write up my communications labs tomorrow, and that will be me free from deadlines, and then I can fully focus on my exams. First one on the 6th of December, I believe. Right now, bedtime. Night! Hello and welcome to Thursday. It's just approaching 4 o'clock right now. I spent this morning writing up my communication systems 3 lab reports. Got them finished now. The deadline is tomorrow, but the mechanical engineering students have been spreading a rumour around saying that the engineering teaching office is closed tomorrow because it is St Andrew's Day. St Andrew's Day isn't a public holiday, and I haven't heard this from any other source, but it's probably best just to hand things in today whilst I still can. Anyway, I've done everything, just hope I can get them in time. See you later. Bye. Use. Yes. Let's go. Beautiful. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You sign the other one. Oh, sure. No, that will do. Thank you very much. It just shows we had our assignments in on time. 5 o'clock now. Hello, happy Friday! St Andrew's Day and the last day of the term. Only got one lecture today, and then Sarah's concert in the evening. Exciting stuff. Right now, electronic system design.
Input noise voltage is equal to the uncorrelated sum of all those things.
Hello and welcome to Sunday. Got volleyball now, which should be a good escape from revision. Whew. See you afterwards. Bye. That's me at volleyball. It was a good distraction by the end of it anyway. Couldn't help but think of communication systems at the start. Good fun, good fun. Now back to my flat to revise for the unforeseeable future. Bye. It's not that bad, really. Maybe. Hopefully. We'll see. Back to Fourier. And there we have it. That's the end of the university vlogs. I hope you enjoyed this series. If you did, a like, a comment and a subscribe would be very nice. Thank you. I am delighted to announce that I have passed third year and will soon be going into my fourth and final year of university. I have had the most tremendous summer, traveling all over the place. Norway, Germany, Italy, the Outer Hebrides. I climbed Ben Nevis and made some incredible memories. And of course, I brought my camera with me, so I'll be making videos about all those fun adventures in the future. And I have been working too. In terms of university vlogs, I didn't film the second semester of third year nearly as intensively as I filmed the first. I did, however, film clips here and there, including the vet school's strip show. So, in theory, I could make a compilation video of all the best stuff. I'm not planning to vlog my final year, but I'll definitely film bits here and there. For example, I think a graduation vlog would make a very nice memento. If you think you might miss me, you can find me on Instagram at CaitlinFham or CaitlinFham. I often post stories on here, so if you want to give me a follow, that would be pretty cool. Thank you. Back to YouTube, however. In the future, I'd like my channel to be more tech, travel, and tutorial oriented. I've been to some beautiful places and I've captured them on camera, so now I just need to edit the clips together and upload them to this channel. Although I'll be making fewer university vlogs, I'll still appear on the channel. So if you'd be so kind as to subscribe and for the ring ham, the notification bell, I would be most appreciative. Thank you. I hope that you have a wonderful time. Until I see you again, ciao for now.
From Glasgow.